Hair done, nails did, everything did.
Caught me at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the end. Made me feel like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name's Natasha. Go ahead and subscribe because, like, I know I'm not here helping you out and you don't want to help me out. That's kind of crazy, girl. And it's time to do this hair. It's about time. You guys know hair is my favorite part of everything. I feel like your hair can be done and you can like have on a bummy outfit, no makeup, and it's still gonna get. So focus on the hair. So I did wash my hair the same day I did my skincare and took out my quick weave and all that. So I'm gonna apply this hair serum. It's by Balmain. It's not an oil. I've noticed that this actually does not irritate my scalp. I cannot use a lot of hair oils because my scalp will feel so raw, like it's bad. So I just don't use anything, or I'll do like a treatment and then wash it out, but I won't have anything on my scalp. This one I don't have any problems with, so just gonna apply that all throughout. Do whatever, you know, scalp or hair treatment you need to do before any install. I'm putting on a wig today, so that's fun. My hair is very short, as you can see, so I'm literally just gonna put on the wig cap. And this is my wig cap of choice today. It's like a fishnet wig cap. I like these because they're more breathable and it keeps your hair down, so. And voila, time to install our wig. Y'all, I have been wanting to put this wig on for a little bit over a week. It's like on my mannequin head, blow dried, ready to go. Like, I'm excited. So today's wig's from RPGSHOW. You guys know I love RPGSHOW wigs. I need to just make like a RPGSHOW playlist and show you guys all the wigs that I've tried over the years. Amazing. I would say some of my best wigs, best installs, best quality. Yeah. So I love when I get the wig and it has a card with all the specs of the wig on there, so you know what you ordered down to every single detail. I'm going to show you guys. You guys see, you get literally every single detail of the wig. RPGSHOW knows me so well. No other wig company sends me black wig caps. I love black wig caps. I don't like the nude ones. I don't like bald caps. I don't like all that mess. And they sent me the black one. So thank you so much. I'm going to put this in here because I'm going to need that. So I am going to take an alcohol pad and kind of rub away any skincare product around the hairline and the edge control. So this is the wig that we're gonna be putting on today. Stunning. It's like an ash blonde moment with the rooting. And look at the transition, you guys. Looks professional. It's smooth. The color and toning is immaculate. One of the things that I love about RPGSHOW is that they don't just slap together a color because it's trendy or because the picture went viral and they want to recreate it. No, they really have stylists coloring their wigs, taking their time and doing them correctly. So I really appreciate that, because I noticed with a lot of other wig companies, they may have like the highlighted, you know, blonde and brown wig, but it literally is streaky, or like the rooting job is like blunt and cut, and it just doesn't look the best. Like, it's wearable, but it's not the best. So this is actually a glueless wig. Even though you guys are seeing a frontal, the way the wig is constructed, it's gonna fit snug, and you have this drawstring. I told you guys, when you use the drawstring, it literally makes your wig fit like a glove. I still am going to use a little bit of my spray just so that it's melted, but I love the concept of this being glueless. So I'm going to tell you guys more about this wig as I'm putting it on. I don't want to be here all day because this video will literally be an hour long of me talking and installing. So yeah. Before I get to rambling, make sure you guys check out the description box. I will leave all the information for this specific wig down below, as well as details and any other questions you may have, because y'all, I'm just a girl and I cannot remember everything. So I just want to talk about RPGSHOW for a second. And I know somebody's going to be like, oh, why would you post this expensive wig? We're trying to save money. But in the bigger picture of things, if we're doing math, we know our numbers, this is a cheaper alternative. If you think about how much this specific look would cost you at a hairstylist, it would run you double the price of this wig. If you are somebody that buys, you know, more affordable wigs, yeah, they work and there are nice affordable wigs, but you're constantly having to replace them and you're spending more money over time. Versus a wig like this, I know this wig is going to stay in my collection for 2, 3, 4 years. I do have an RPG Show wig that I've had for literally 4 years, and it is still going strong. So I'm just like, you cannot beat that, because also they're constantly keeping up with trends. They're giving you quality wigs. They're really taking their time to kind of innovate their wigs and not keep them the same. This specific wig has like a new wig cap, which is making it easier for the girlies to put on at home. So this is like a glueless frontal. I know we talk about like the glueless wigs, but they're always constructed a little funky. This one is literally glueless. Like if I wanted to put this on without any spray, I could 100% do that. But you guys know I like a little security. So I love that about RPG Show, that they're constantly getting customer feedback, improving their wigs, and improving the quality and all those things. So it's something to really consider. I always talk about them because I've never, ever, ever, when I say never had a bad wig, I've never had a bad wig from this company. And I don't know anybody who has bought a wig that has had a bad wig from this company. So I would highly consider, if you're looking to invest into a new wig, you know, something different, something more long-term, I would 100% check out RPG Show. So that was just my little spiel, because I want to talk to you guys about that, because like I know it is a little bit on the pricier side, but in the long run it is well worth it. So yeah.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is never thin. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad.
This is exactly how I wanted my hair, like that nice wave, very Beyonce coded. This is what I wanted, and I never curl my hair like this. I always do like traditional like bouncy curls. This is more of a wave. I'm obsessed. All right, let's see what the back is giving. You know, y'all always want to see the back of the wig. Is it cute? Is it cute? I don't know what it looks like. I don't. One thing about it, my hair is going to come out exactly how I want every time with an RPG Show wig. It is well worth it. And thank you so much, RPG Show, for sending this wig. It is gorgeous. I couldn't have asked for a better wig. Let's move on. So the makeup is done. It's a cute little like regular face, whatever. So everything is done. I did my hair, skincare, makeup, lashes, and nails. That's a lot to do. And think about how much money I saved. And I didn't have to deal with the Hey Boo text. I hope this inspired you guys to like do a little something at home. It's really not that hard. Like I said, from me doing my hair to my lashes to my nails, it took me about 3 hours, which seems like a lot, and you'll tell yourself, oh, I don't have time, but like you do have time, because you would have to drive to each service provider and be serviced, and that would take up your whole day, or it'd be spread out amongst days. Don't forget, everything will be listed and linked down below, and practice. Again, I hope this was very helpful for you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.